Okay. Other strategies for reducing taxable income. So, all right. So you can, as we mentioned previously, deferring income. So, uh, sometimes if you work, say you work for a small company and you'll get a bonus, and it may be more beneficial to wait till, say they if they can't, they're able to, you can wait till January to receive that income. Depending on whether you feel like your taxable income is going to be greater uh, in the following year or less. So if you think it's going up, you may want to accelerate it and pay it early. That, as I mentioned previously, taking losses when you've had a successful year in the market. Get rid of those loser stocks. Um, Accelerate deductions. So take deductions ahead of time. The so, what some people might might elect to do before the $10,000 exemption came into play, people would try to pay their property taxes all for 2 years in the same year. So, for example, you might pay 1 year's in January and then pay the following years in December, and that way you could deduct 2 years worth of uh, property taxes during the same year. So, shift income to a child. So that's a strategy used by wealthy individuals. Buy and manage a real estate investment. Uh, there, um, there are basically two types of investments, real estate being one of them, and oil and gas being the other, that are favorably treated by the IRS code. So, basically, what occurs when you own a rental property is um, you earn income and you're able to depreciate the property that depreciation and the operating expenses allow you to offset the income, and the vast majority of the income becomes capital gains, which are taxed at the lower rate, as we saw before. So it's a very a good way to reduce your taxes. So take all of your legal tax deductions. So the concept check: distinguish between the two types of tax sheltered investments: employer sponsored retirement plans, 401ks, 403bs, 457s. Traditional IRA would be the other type. The employer sponsored are typically preferred. There are limitations depending on your income as to how much you can put in an IRA. Even and also if your situation is different, if you have a plan offered at work as well. So, um, so how to reduce income taxes via your employer? 3 employer sponsored plans that would do so: premium only plan, FSA or flexible spending account, so medical and child care expenses, transportation reimbursement plans. Difference between a traditional IRA or an IRA and a Roth IRA. Traditional IRA contributions are tax deductible, so you still you're making that money with pre-tax, but then your deduction, you're able to deduct it on your and when you prepare your taxes. Not as beneficial as with your employer-sponsored plan, because it directly reduces your withholding. So it's a Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax money. Earnings are tax exempt. So, finishing up the chapter here, worst financial blunders with regard to income taxes you can make. Turn your tax planning over to somebody else. Over withhold your income taxes to receive a big refund. You're basically making a loan to the IRS. Ignore the impact of taxes when doing your personal financial planning. So next, do it now. So what protect your taxable income, project your taxable income and total withholding for the year. Estimating your federal tax liability based on your income projection. So, and then use either the tax tables or tax rate schedules to calculate your liability. You revise your W-4 with your employer to withhold more or less depending on your situation. And that is it for Chapter 4.